Welcome back to DIY Daze. This week I'm going to be showing you how to use 6 household items in your painting. The materials you're going to need are a canvas, paint brushes, paint, cotton balls, cotton swabs, plastic water bottle, a leaf, cardboard, and tape. So I started by painting the background of some of the canvases, so feel free to do so as well. For the first household item, we're going to be using a cotton ball, so I like to kind of stretch it out and then dip it in the paint and just dab it on the canvas. It gives the painting a nice texture and adds another layer to the canvas. Next, we're going to be using cotton swabs. So with the cotton swabs, you can either use them to paint, as I'm doing here, or you can dab them on the canvas. So here I'm just kind of fluffing up the cotton swab and I'm going to use it to make clouds on the rainbow. As you can see, it's similar to the cotton ball as it gives the painting a nice textured look. Next, we're going to use a plastic water bottle. Paint the bottom of the bottle any color you'd like. Make sure to apply a lot of paint. Then press the bottle onto the canvas. You'll see it'll create kind of a floral pattern. You can definitely make some flowers out of these, however I'm going to go for a 3D look. Adding the red beside the blue will make the 3D image. Next, we're going to be using a leaf to make an imprint. Start by painting the back of your leaf any color you'd like. Then flip it around and place it on your canvas and press for a couple seconds until all the paint is on the canvas. Then slowly lift up from the bottom of the leaf, and there you have a detailed leaf imprint. For this next technique, start by painting your canvas any color you'd like, or you can use multiple colors as I'm doing here. Ensure that there's a lot of paint on the canvas. Next, take a piece of cardboard and begin dragging it along the canvas in different motions. This is one way to blend colors or create a wave effect. For this last technique, you're going to take some tape and begin placing it on the canvas, forming geometric shapes. Then paint each of the shapes a different color. Once the paint is dry, slowly take the tape off. You'll see that you have nice sharp lines. And there we have it, 6 ways to use household items in your paintings. I hope you enjoyed this week's DIY Daze and make sure to join us next week for another craft.